Alright, let's get started with how I made $300 using just my phone. This is something you won't want to miss. Have you ever thought about making money with your phone? Well, today I'm going to show you how it's possible, and the best part is, it's perfect for beginners. Now, let's talk about the common challenges people face when trying to make money online. It can be overwhelming, right? But fear not, because I've found a solution that works like a charm. Let's dive into the steps and strategies involved in making $300 using your phone. I'll break it down for you, giving you clear and actionable advice that you can start implementing right away. But here comes the most exciting part, the key moment that led to my success in making $300. Get ready, because this tip is a game changer and will definitely build up your anticipation. To wrap things up, let's recap the main points we've covered in this video. I want to emphasize the incredible potential of this method for all of you watching. The sky's the limit. And last but not least, I want to encourage you to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips, and don't forget to share your own success stories in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you all. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep hustling.